Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the wallpaper section. After that you'll see here your photos, stylize and created images. You can select your new wallpaper from these folders. Here we can find the photos previously taken on your device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also we can use our just default photo on our device. For example, let's use one from these photos. Here you can change the position. Okay, what's going on? Okay, we can here switch the position of the wallpaper on the lock screen. We can see how that will look. Then click here to OK in the right down corner and select lock screen. Just we can see here the message that this wallpaper set successfully, so let's lock our device. And now we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first hold for a while your device screen and then click here to wallpapers, and by the same way you can change your device wallpaper. For example, let's take a picture right now. Okay, and now let's go back here to wallpapers, tap to my photos, and tap here to camera and select this photo. After that, tap on the right down corner and click to lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.